Hello students, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and we are discussing our chapter 5th, continuity and differentiability related to class 12th, and we are doing NCERT related exercise 5.6. Here, if x and y are connected parametrically by the given equations without eliminating the parameter को eliminate किए बिना हमको dy by dx determine करना है, find dy by dx. So here x is equal to sin cube t upon cos 2t in root and y is equal to cos cube t upon root cos 2t. These are two equations. Here we have to find dy by dx. Both are the function of t. ये दोनों function t के हैं, तो इनको हम differentiate करेंगे with respect to t. So in solution we have to mention on differentiating with respect to t. So this will become dx by dt is equal to, here numerator denominator formula will be applicable. So denominator into d by dt of numerator minus numerator into d by dt of denominator. Upon denominator square means root cos 2t whole square. Here again same concept will be applicable. dy by dt is equal to denominator into d by dt of numerator minus numerator into d by dt of denominator upon square of denominator, that is root cos 2t whole square. You may write here formula which we have applied. d by dx of f1x upon f2x is equal to denominator is f2x, d by dx of numerator is f1x minus numerator means f1x and denominator is f2x. So differentiation of denominator upon square of denominator means f2x whole square. This is the applied formula. So by using this formula we are doing these two steps here for x and y function of t. Now we may differentiate. Let me tell you, if we consider this as sin t as any other function u, so differentiation of u cube is 3u square, so it will be 3 sin square t. In place of u, sin t is there, so we may write dx by dt is equal to 3 sin square t root cos 2t into d by dt of sin t. Why is it so? Because we have considered it somewhat. We have considered it u. So du by dt also we have to find. So d by dt of sin t, that u value is sin t. Because u cube it is differentiated 3u square means 3 sin square t. Now differentiation of u with respect to t, that is du by dt. So d by dt of sin t minus sin cube t. Differentiation of root x, you know very well, differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, as x raised to the power half differentiation with respect to half is equal to half x raised to the power minus half, because half minus 1 is minus half. So we may write it 1 upon 2 root x because it is negative power. When we bring it in denominator, then this will become positive. So 1 upon 2 x raised to the power half, that will be 1 upon 2 root x. That's why we have to write here 1 upon 2 root cos 2t. And then d by dt of cos 2t again upon root cos 2t whole square is cos 2t. It is cos 2t. Now this one also like that only, dy by dt is equal to 3 cos square t root cos 2t into d by dt of cos t minus here again cos cube t similarly upon 2 root cos 2t, because these differentiation are same. See, d by dt of root cos 2t, that is 1 upon 2 root cos 2t. Here also we have written, and then d by dt of cos 2t upon cos 2t. So now on further proceeding, it will become dx by dt is equal to 3 cos square t, and differentiation of sin t is cos t, sorry 3 sin square t and then cos t, 3 sin square t cos t and then root cos 2t, root cos 2t. Cos 2t differentiation is minus sin 2t, so that minus and this minus will become plus sin 2t sin cube t upon 2 root cos 2t, and then d by dt of 2t again. Why is it so? Because it is cos 2t. If it is cos t, then it will be minus sin t only, but here it is 2t, means coefficient of t is there, so we have to differentiate this also, d by dt of 2t upon cos 2t. Similarly, here it will become dy by dt is equal to 3 cos cube t, sorry 3 cos square t, and after that differentiation of cos t with respect to t is minus sin t, so minus sign will be there, and then sin t root cos 2t minus cos cube t, differentiation of cos 2t is minus sin 2t, so it will be minus minus plus cos cube t sin 2t and d by dt of 2t. Again we have to differentiate this 2t, and in denominator here it is 2 root cos 2t upon cos 2t. Both are the same concepts here. Here it is sin 2t, here also it is sin 2t, and then sin cube t is as it is, this one, and in denominator 2 root cos 2t is there. Differentiation of 2t will become 2 in next step. Let me explain you one more thing here, that after taking LCM 2 root cos 2t, or you may write it differentiation of 2t is 2 and then take LCM, so that 2 will be cancelled by this 2 and afterwards you can take LCM, or you may take directly 2 root cos 2t LCM. So we have to proceed it afterwards. Now see, if we take differentiation of 2t, that is 2, so that 2 will be cancelled here. So dx by dt is equal to 3 sin square t cos t root cos 2t plus 2, because differentiation of 2t is 2, d by dt of t is 1, and that 2 is taken out, so that it will be 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 sin 2t sin cube t upon 2 root cos 2t. So this 2 will be cancelled, and in denominator it is cos 2t. Here also dy by dt. In case of dy by dt, what will happen? See, minus 3 cos square t sin t, minus 3 cos square t sin t, and then root cos 2t plus differentiation of 2t is 2, so it will be 2 cos cube t sin 2t upon 2 root cos 2t. So this 2 is also cancelled, and in denominator it is cos 2t. Now see what will happen. If we take root cos 2t LCM, then it will become dx by dt is equal to 3 sin square t cos 2t plus sin 2t sin cube t upon, it is cos 2t raised to the power half, and it is cos 2t. So power is 1 here, and here it is half. So half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So this power will become cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2 now, because it is the LCM taken is multiplied here in this part. So cos 2t into root cos 2t, that is cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2. 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. Now here it will become dy by dt is equal to minus 3 cos square t sin t, root cos 2t will be taken as LCM. So this will become cos 2t plus cos cube t sin 2t upon cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2 here also. So now what we can do? We can take sin square t common from here. So dx by dt is equal to sin square t is taken common. So it will be 3 cos t cos 2t plus sin t sin 2t, because here it is cube t. So sin square t is taken common. So it will be sin t only, and this is sin 2t upon cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2, and here it is dy by dt is equal to, here also we can take common cos square t. So cos square t is taken common, so it will become minus 3 sin t cos 2t plus cos t sin 2t upon cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2. So up to here it is completed. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. We may write like this because we have to find dy by dx only. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Value of dy by dt is cos square t into minus 3 sin t cos 2t plus cos t sin 2t upon cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2 upon, here it will become sin square t, and then 3 cos 2t cos t plus sin t sin 2t upon cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2. So this will be cancelled. Denominator of numerator and denominator of denominator both are cancelled. So the remaining part is this. Now see, dy by dx is equal to cos square t. If we take, first of all we have to apply here formula. Here it is 2 cos square t minus 1 if we are applying, and here we are applying 2 sin t cos t. Then this will become cos square t into minus 3 sin t 2 cos square t minus 1, and here it is plus 2 sin t cos t, 2 sin t cos t, formula for sin 2t, and this cos t. Got it? It is 2 sin 2t, formula is 2 sin t cos t, and it is multiplied with cos t. And now in denominator sin square t is there already, and here it is 3 into, here we are applying 1 minus 2 sin square t. In place of cos 2t we are applying formula 1 minus 2 sin square t into cos t plus, here it is again 2 sin t cos t, and with 2 sin t cos t, sin t is there. Now dy by dx is equal to cos square t minus 3 sin 3 to the 6 minus 6 sin t cos square t, minus into minus is plus 3 sin t plus 2 sin t into cos square t upon sin square t with this 3 1 are 3 into cos t, means 3 cos t minus 3 2 are 6 sin square t cos t plus 2 sin square t cos t. So now we may solve this part. See, minus 6 sin square t cos t plus 2 sin square t cos t, that will be minus 4 sin square t cos t, and here it is minus 6 sin t cos square t plus 2 sin t cos square t, that will be minus 4 sin t cos square t. So it will be dy by dx is equal to cos square t, and in bracket what it will be? It will be minus 4 sin t cos square t. Both are same terms. So minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 plus 3 sin t, and here it is in denominator sin square t, and with sin square t what is there? 3 cos t minus 4 sin square t cos t, sin square t cos t. Now we can take Sin t common from here. So this will become dy by dx is equal to cos square t into sin t. Then this will be, and if we take minus sign also common from here, then this will become sin t is taken common. So 4 cos square t, it will be 4 cos square t, because sin t we have taken common. It is 4 cos square t minus 3 upon, here sin square t is there, we have taken minus sign common here. Please concentrate, it is the part to be focused. Minus sign common, it is due to somewhat reason why we are taking minus sign common. Now we can take cos t common from here. So it will become 3 minus 4 sin square t. Now what will happen? This cos t is cancelled by this 1 cos t, and this sin t is cancelled by this 1 sin t. Now what can be happened? Now this will become dy by dx is equal to minus, and if we multiply this cos t inside the bracket, then this will become 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t upon, in denominator it is 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So dy by dx is equal to what it will be? 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t is the formula of cos 3t. So it will become minus cos 3t, and in denominator 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t is sin 3t. So it will be sin 3t. So finally our answer is minus cot 3t. This is only our answer. So this question is over now. Thanks a lot for watching our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Like it, subscribe it and share it.